$250 a week or $1,000 a month. That's how much daycare can cost for just one child.
Wayne 15's Taylor King looked into how one Northeast Indiana county is working to ease that burden.
The cost of care is complicated. It's expensive for families and expensive for the daycares to stay open. In Noble County, a proposed program would change the way the whole system works and make child care more affordable and accessible to all families.
We know that we don't have enough quality seats out there, so we're quite a ways off from that affordability factor.
Not enough spots and the cost is too high. Families in Noble County struggle with child care. Jenna Anderson is with the Early Childhood Coalition from Noble Thrive by 5.
We are really the connectors in the community, so we give people someplace to go when they have an idea. You know, for instance, the town manager of Albion had an idea to use some city funds to build a daycare, and he didn't know where to go with that idea until he found out about me. And then, you know, he was connected with me, and we're well into that process.
Anderson says in Allen and Noble counties, daycare usually costs between $110 to $250 a week. That's just for one child. That can go up for more than one kid. In Indiana, that has the average family spending around $12,000 a year for childcare. To be considered affordable childcare, that number has to be 7% or less of a family's total income. If you do the math, that's making at least $171,000 a year.
And our average family income in Noble County is $56,000. No matter where you go, the parents are struggling to pay. It's heartbreaking. It's absolutely heartbreaking.
Part of the high cost of care comes from the state required child to teacher ratios.
So the ratio for infants is 1 teacher to 4 children. And that's why infant care is the most expensive care. That's why in Noble County you could pay $225, $250 for an infant. From there the ratios go up, but we have the most need right now for infants and toddlers. And that's what's kind of draining the funds from all of those child care centers.
Even while parents struggle to pay for childcare, the daycares are struggling to pay their workers.
We know that our child care workers don't make a living wage. In Noble County, they make as little as $8.50 an hour.
The Early Child Coalition is working on a solution to share the cost of care.
More public funding for early childhood is one of those things that we're working on. I have proposed in my county a tri-share program that our government in Noble County would fund 1/3, employers would fund 1/3 of childcare, and then families would fund 1/3. So that helps with that affordability factor.
Noble County working with other coalitions in the surrounding counties to be the voice of parents and for kids.
We in the counties can help support that regional coalition, because we know when we come together, when all 11 of us, our counties come together, that's when we can make a difference.
When you're looking for childcare, there are several questions you should ask. Anderson goes over how to find the right provider in this story on WANE.com. Taylor King, WANE 15 News.